Can a single click really cost your company millions? If you work in healthcare, government contracting, or handle any kind of sensitive data, you know the answer is a terrifying yes. That one accidental click on a phishing email can trigger a catastrophic chain of events. We're talking about massive HIPAA fines, canceled government contracts, and the kind of reputational damage that takes years to repair. You've probably spent fortunes on advanced firewalls, intrusion detection, and the latest security. But the truth is, the biggest threat to your sensitive data isn't some mastermind hacker in a dark room. More often than not, it's a hardworking but poorly trained employee. Your team, the people you rely on, can also be your biggest vulnerability. So here's the real question. How do you train your employees from being your biggest vulnerability to becoming your best defense? The answer isn't another boring compliance video. Most trainings are just a box-checking exercise, generic, passive, and utterly forgettable. It teaches policies, but it doesn't build the muscle memory needed to stop a sophisticated phishing attack when the pressure is on. You need a repetitive system that transforms your staff into what we call a human firewall. This means first, ditching the generic slides and using training that is industry-specific, targeting the exact threats your healthcare or defense contractor team sees every day. Second, drill the habit, not the policy. When an employee spots something suspicious, they don't need to consult a 50-page manual. They need 2 or 3 simple, immediate steps. Repetitive, scenario-based micro-training is what turns knowledge into muscle memory. And third, you need to arm them with the ultimate tool for defense, a definitive plan for the moment of impact. In the chaos of a newly discovered incident, fear and confusion are your biggest enemies. You need a structured, step-by-step guide for those first 60 minutes after a potential breach. What do you isolate? Who do you notify? What's the precise sequence of action? We've simplified this critical response into a single, straightforward game plan. The first 60 minutes, a cybersecurity incident response checklist. It's time to stop worrying about a single click destroying your business and start training your team to be your best defense. Ready to build your human firewall? Download our complete incident response checklist to get started. The link is in the description.